This is by far the easiest way to set up your sole proprietorship in Ontario. By clicking the link in the description, you will come to this page. Make sure you're using that link. You will see this 15% discount automatically at checkout. You can directly go to their website. However, you don't see that 15% discount at the time of checkout, which you will see in the video. So make sure you're using the link. And by using this link, you will come to this page and here you click Get Started Now. You will come to this page, tell us about your business, click New, and depending on province, you will choose your province and then click Next. You will come to this Compare Your Option page. Here you will select Sole Proprietorship. For Sole Proprietorship, you will enter the company name. Once the company name is entered and you click Next, on this page, you will create your account by entering your credentials, that is first name, last name, email, and password. Since I already have an account, once the sign in and login happens, you see Cypher 40 Consulting, and then you start filling in the information, business, payment, and final. So in the account information, this is the phone number, first what gets entered, and then your address, which will be of Ontario location, and then selecting I am a Canadian resident. Who is a Canadian resident? Someone who is a citizen or a permanent resident who ordinarily reside in Canada. So you can read this more from here, and once you select that, click Next. Now you come to this page, business information page, where it shows sole proprietorship based in Ontario, and the address comes from what was entered earlier. Then my company will operate in. This is the drop down. Choose the closest business to which your company is. Here in my case, I have selected consulting and then click Next. You come to the name confirmation. Here, since my name meets all the requirement, it shows in green tick. Then I click Next. Don't worry about this $49. Once we come down and click Next, here you see the billing information. The government registration fee is $60, which is absolutely free here. And for the owner registration fee, this also gets negated when you open a RBC bank account. So all in all, you will pay $6.37. Open your sole proprietorship. Again, here, this RBC bank account has to be opened within 60 days of the payment. If not, then this discount will not be applicable and your credit card will be charged for remaining $49. So you will be using credit card to do this transaction. Once this is done, you click Next. Here you enter your credit card information, and once that is done, you pay. Then you do the final review of the document, and once you find everything is good, you just sit back and relax. They will get the sole proprietorship work done and inform you over email, and after which you can start with your business. Now, few things you have to keep in mind is that you will require a business identification number, for which you'll have to reach out to CRA. I have made a video. It's a simple process. You call up CRA. They can set it up while on phone, or you can also do online. So you can check those videos. And there are other videos related to businesses which might be of use to you. So do check out those videos. Thanks for watching. Friends, do check out my website, CanadaTriedAndTested.com, which I keep updating from time to time. And as you can see, I have organized everything in a way easy for you to find based on the topic of your interest.